Okay guys, so what you're looking at are feet. That's right, feet. Because today's video have a lot to do with feet. Well, do you ever have that annoying foot odor or know someone that does? They tell you all sorts of things. What's the first thing they say? Use some powder. No, that just makes a mess. Get some disinfectant spray. No, that'll still stink once you have stinky feet. Take your shoes and wash them. You might destroy them inside the washing machine because this video isn't just for slippers. I'm just wearing slippers to show you my feet. Get some mold remover. It kills everything. No. Spray some cologne in there or perfume. No. I got a very simple method. Use deodorant. Yep, it really works. I tried it out. You take your shoe and you just basically apply the deodorant as if you were applying it to your underarms, and it immediately takes away the odor. I hope this is helpful and I hope you liked the video. And if you did, give it a thumbs up. Even if you didn't like it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Make sure you watch my other videos, share my channel, share my videos, and leave some comments. Tell me what you thought, tell me what you think. If you have any ideas, share them too. Thanks for watching. P.R.'s round.